We all know that the Mediterranean diet is the healthiest and most recommended by health experts. The American Heart Association and American Diabetes Association recommend and associate the Mediterranean diet with reducing all-cause mortality. This video will shed more light on the healthiest diet, according to the Dietary Guidelines for Americans on 2 legs. The Mediterranean diet, explained, and then 6 food list Mediterranean diet recipes. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the eating habits of the people who live close to the Mediterranean Sea. The diet draws inspiration from the cuisine of Spain, Italy, Turkey, Greece, Levant, and North Africa. Top Mediterranean diet foods are proportionally high in vegetables, fruits, unrefined cereals, olive oil, legumes. There is moderate to low consumption of dairy, fish, and wine. There is low to no consumption of meat products. The Mediterranean diet helps in preventing and reducing some significant diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancer, weight loss, major depressive disorder, cognitive ability, gluten-related disorders. We made a video detailing the top 6 health benefits of the Mediterranean diet. You can watch it to get better insight into these preventive and restorative powers that the Mediterranean diet has. The high-fiber plant-based diet does not restrict calorie intake, but encourages eating healthy and natural calories. If you are excited about this diet already, we will set you up with exciting Mediterranean diet recipes for beginners. These meals are easy to make, and we shall share the food list with you. Since this is a health channel and not a culinary channel, we will not be sharing the step-by-step recipe. If you are excited to try them, as you should, kindly go online and in the sources provided below. Let us get cooking. Here are the 6 Mediterranean diet recipes. Number 6. Baked shrimp and veggies. Mediterranean sheet pan. Imagine coming home tired from work and having to spend hours cooking. We are not going to give you those kinds of recipes. What we have here is a 25-minute prep time, including dinner or lunch if you are feeling it on a Sunday. The ingredients for seasoning are cherry tomatoes, onion, asparagus, cumin, garlic, sumac, and shrimp marinated in olive oil. Simply leave them in a sheet pan and the oven until they caramelize. Serve hot and enjoy. This is not the only sheet pan baked recipe we will speak about. Be on the lookout for the easiest baked salmon recipe there is. It is our top pick for the list. Number 5. The ultimate Mediterranean breakfast. Breakfast in the Mediterranean way is wholesome, colorful, and satisfying. Some elements might have crossed your breakfast table, but having all the bits together is another level of taste satisfaction. Before we tell you what this breakfast board consists of, please subscribe to our channel for more healthy diets and information. What we have is a tasty board of sliced cucumber and tomatoes. Also, marinated mushrooms, olives, and artichokes. Egyptian choice bits like falafel, pia, cubes of feta, and hummus. This platter can be served at brunch or events with vegans. Everyone can get a taste of what they enjoy. Fresh juice sounds like the best drink to wash this down. At this point, we are saying goodbye to pancakes, waffles, and running eggs. Here is to healthier and fancier options. Number 4. Juicy baked chicken thighs. You will need some tomato paste, extra virgin olive oil, citrus, garlic, and your preferred spices for baked chicken. The ingredients we just mentioned will give you a paste to run on the chicken thighs. After rubbing it, set the oven to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 minutes. You can make it with chicken breasts instead. They are good accompaniments for any salad of your choice. Meat should be consumed in moderation according to the Mediterranean diet parameters. So once you have had this, it is time to go hard on bowls of legumes and veggies. Stay with us as we explore what a Mediterranean diet grain bowl will be later in the video. Number 3. Greek-style eggplant recipe. If you love spices like cinnamon, paprika, and oregano, then you're in luck. After that white meat option, we present you with a fully vegan option. The stew needs 3 humble ingredients: eggplant, canned tomatoes, and chickpeas. You will cook it as you make all your stews. You can bring it to the oven when you are done boiling, or you can eat it straight off the burner. It is that versatile. You can eat it with pita bread or some couscous. Number 2. Mediterranean grain bowls with lentils and chickpeas. Earlier, we mentioned how the recipes should be easy to make. Likewise, they should get your taste buds accustomed to the diet for the future. Lentils and chickpeas are naturally easy to consume and make, serving both purposes. Bring out a salad bowl and let us mix. For the bowl base, throw in farro, chickpeas and lentils. Then top it up with some veggies, avocado, feta, and Kalamata olives. The grain bowl should then be complete with a lemon garlic dressing. It is colorful and enhances the bittersweet taste of the meal. You can take this to work and refrigerate it for lunch. Number 1. Baked salmon recipe with garlic cilantro sauce. Cooking fish is not easy. We will tell you that for free. So while you struggle to figure out the pan way, someone else is eating their heart out with a fillet fresh from the oven. Fish does not need much. Set the temperature right and get it in a sheet pan. Then pour garlic cilantro sauce all over it. Ensure that it soaks well enough to go in and around the fish. The fish will come out of that oven tasting and smelling like heaven. Greek lemon rice or grilled vegetables go well with this baked salmon recipe. If you are new to fish as an alternative to meat, this right here is an excellent way to start. Easy and tasty. Open the finest Italian or French wine and give yourself a treat. You deserve it for deciding to take this journey of healthy eating. Please let us know how any of these meals turned out. If you have a recipe for beginners, too, you can share it in the comments so that those taking baby steps can have a variety of choices for food.